Look at the flowers, guys. Look at that. This is already flowering. Like, it's still in the pot. I need to plant it in the ground. Look at the name of it. It's a pear Doyenné du Comice. So it's a French name. So I bought this in supermarket by Sainsbury's. Look at that. Isn't it amazing, guys? Look at the fruit. It's nice. The color is golden, pinkish golden, reddish golden. So that's the warning sign. It's so cute, guys, and look at that. The flowers, it's so pretty. Look, it's white. And this is in I don't know how. So this should position in full sun. So I have to find a place where it's in full sun. So there, like that. So there's lots of growth already. So it's so pretty. I can't wait for it to bear fruit. Hello guys, today I'm going to plant this pear in the ground. So today guys, watch me plant this pear in the ground. Okay, I'm going to show you where I'm going to plant. So I dig the hole in there, and that is, I think it will get sun from there, morning sun. So that is the pear in the pot, and as I showed you earlier, there's already flowers in there. It's white, and that one is the pear Doyenné du Comice. So that is so okay guys, let's plant it. Okay guys, okay guys, oh my gosh. Okay guys, so look at this. I'm going to make this plant organic. So I'm going to put earthworms in it. So this serves as a fertilizer. Okay guys, so that is planted now in the ground. So that's how it looks like. So we have to wait until all the flowers becomes fruit. So that is the flowers. And I hope there's more flowers in the others stems, branches. I'll make this as small as possible because my garden is not that big, so I wanted to plant as much as fruit as possible in a small space. Okay guys, so thank you for watching and see you in my next video. I'll wait. Please wait for the update of this plant, of this pear tree. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Tara, love, love, love. That is the pear tree. They are in full bloom.